Let's dive into creating those eye-catching charts in Excel. First, open up your Excel file. To create this fancy chart, we need to do a little trick. We need two stacks, let's call them top and bottom. Top, it will be minimum of your data set. In my case, it will be minimum of the sales values. Let's copy formula down. Bottom, it will be sales minus top. So I am going to type equals, select sales, type minus, and I am going to select top. Let's copy formula down. Now select first column, top and bottom. In my case, it will be month, top and bottom. Got it? Great. Now, head to the Insert tab at the top. Click on the column chart icon, and from the drop-down, pick Stacked Column. Boom, your chart appears. Go to Insert tab and select Shapes. Choose shape you like. Draw it. Go to Shape Outline and remove the outline. Select Shape, press Ctrl+C to copy it. Select Top Series in the chart and press Ctrl+V to paste, and voila! Now you're ready to show off your new Excel skills. Happy charting!